Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word enrichment. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The new program at the community center offers a variety of enrichment activities for children, including art classes, music lessons, and science experiments. Enrichment refers to the act of improving or enhancing something, often through the addition of valuable or diverse elements to make it more meaningful or valuable. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.